Kabaka Pyramid is a multi-talented artist and producer coming straight from the streets of Kingston, Jamaica, with a unique musical style blending the lyricism of hip-hop with the energy and melody of reggae and dancehall.
Well, I'm a lyrical anomaly. Scientists, them have a study me in all the correction, my spiritual anatomy, physical like ancient, scriptures and mythology, biblical analogy, baby rock.
He's based out of the Baby Rock music camp, and through his liquid and hypnotizing delivery, spreads the positive messages of spirituality and conscious evolution.
Bless and love, this is Kabaka Pyramid, representing Baby Rock music.
We're here at SUBs and you just rock the stage. Tell us how you're feeling.
Feeling great, everything up full, nice turnout, nice energy from the crowd. Perform some new songs after the album and great reception, so we love the vibe.
Let me see some of you on SOB. Show up your one, never done love reggae music. Show up your one, never done love dancehall. Show up your one, never done love roots and culture. We see some so you know we can't start.
Whole heap of lyrics, deep conscious messages. That's really the foundation of my music, and just different styles, versatility, great features. Me have like Damian Marley on the album, Chronics, Protege, Pressure Bus by Akon, whole heap of, Stone Boy out of Ghana, bless the album as well. Whole heap of vibes and energy.
Never gonna be a slave, I'm never gonna be a slave. Nobody worry when the youth say my follow we. We not stick around for who say they gonna be. That's all them cross school is a policy. And all the teachers them are use like.
Don't know, we've been releasing music from 2011, and we've had, releases like Contraband, reaching the #1 on the iTunes Reggae chart, #3 on the Billboard chart. Things like that, Lead the Way was a successful project for us as well. I've been touring since 2012, and we can bring like 10-15 people on the road with us at times when we're touring too, so that is an achievement in and of itself, bringing musicians from Jamaica on the road and contributing to the culture, so we don't really look at the achievements like that still, we're just there for make the music and experience the love from the people. But we perform at big reggae festivals and things around the world. So,
I've been working, you know that feeling? Tell your time to shine. Watch out now. Everybody need a little motivation. But when you feel like you're stuck in your situation, put in the work, no matter with procrastination. If we do that, you wouldn't hear me on your station.
I just want people to know, just check out the music, check out the album Contraband. I'm a serious person. I'm somebody that involved in the community as well as with music, and we're there to make a real change in the planet.
You can't spell butter that them a way under. You can't tell them what different from woman. And the people them as well. The food that give me cancer. You have to tell them about the benefits of ganja. Them not like the smell, so we don't make no sponsor. From a cigarette companies and running rum. But the money now flow. The little gets a stagnant. You have to be strong like Junior and Black man. But we are free. In a this a suffocation. The people living in a suffocation. We can't breathe.
Come chat with me.